Hi, welcome back to the channel. So today you're gonna hear my cat in the back, and I'm really sorry about that. I don't know why he's doing what he's doing, but we're gonna roll with it. So today I'm gonna show you how to do a vampire look. I think it's gonna be so epic. So yeah, super simple. I bought a few accessories from Amazon as well. I'm pro like reusing what I have at home, but the teeth are something that I didn't have. And you can get like 4 of them plus ears, which I don't know why, but you can get that. So yeah, I'm gonna link the teeth. They also come with the little thingy to glue your teeth on your teeth, if that makes sense. Anyway, so really cool, and just be creative, do something fun, you know? I don't even know what I'm saying because, to be honest, I haven't slept well, but I'm gonna stop talking. I hope you guys love the Halloween series. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm posting a video for Halloween every day for the month of October. Don't forget to like this video, give it a comments down below to tell me nothing, actually, never mind. I don't know. How's your October so far? Did you binge watch Harry Potter? Because you need to. If not, we cannot be friends. And how many pumpkin spice latte have you drank already this season? Leave me a comment down below because I need to know. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking. I made some tea because I need to stay awake, but also, you know, sleep tonight. So I will leave you guys to the tutorial. I hope you guys can guess a lot of the looks that are coming. And yeah, anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow. I don't know if I need to laugh at myself because I feel like this intro was funny but also really chaotic. But anyway, we're gonna start by priming our face. I'm using the Marshmallow Primer from NYX, and then I'm going in with some foundation. I'm using a foundation lighter than my actual shade because we're doing a vampire look, and vampires don't go outside. They're like me. They never go outside. I'm kidding. Then I'm gonna go in with some concealers, also super light. I'm using the 24 Hours concealer from MAC. I'm gonna do, you know, the bones and the highlight point of my face. Big shout out to this brush right here, my new discovery. Love it so much. It's from Moda Brushes. I'm gonna link it down below. It's amazing. Then I'm gonna go in with a new combo of mine, which is the Laura Mercier setting powder all over my face. It's so amazing with the NARS concealer, I have to say. I fell in love with it. Love it so much. Then I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Oh my god, it's an OG. Can't believe I haven't used that in years, but I'm gonna use that as a primer on my eyes, and we're gonna go in with, what do you know, some black eyeshadow. This is just too funny because I'm editing all the videos and I realize I use a lot of black eyeshadow for the month of October this year. It's insane. But anyway, so I'm using this black eyeshadow from Anastasia Beverly Hills all over my eyelid, and we're gonna blend that with some red eyeshadow. But first of all, I'm gonna blend the edge of that black using a really teeny brush to blend the edge. I really want that black to stay on my eyelid and not go too high up to my brows because I really want to create some kind of like triangle slash smoky eye effect. Anyway, new technique. I need to name it. If you have a name that could be cool, I don't know how to call this technique, but it's so cool. Anyway, I'm gonna blend that with this Tifley like super teeny brush, and then we're gonna go in with the red. I'm gonna use the Smashbox blending brush for this. Love this brush. If you are at Winners and you find this brush, I think it's $10. You need to buy this brush. It's amazing. I'm gonna mix the burnt orange and the bright red to get that look, and I'm gonna blend that really for a moment, and also towards, you know, my ears to create that really like snatch and cat eye effect. But take your time. I blend it a lot. Like I edited probably like 16 minutes of blending. So yeah. Also, I really wanted the red to be from my outer corner to inner corner. So that's why I really took my time, because you don't want red up until your brows, you know? Then I added a little bit of black to create some more of a pointy black situation, and we're gonna go in with our lower lash line. I'm using a really small definer brush and like the brush that I usually use for my lashes, just to be super deeper precise. I'm gonna go in and do the black for the outer portion, but all the way to my inner corner, like super precise line. But don't worry, it's not gonna stay like this. We're gonna blend this out. I'm gonna use the same red and burnt orange that I used, and I'm gonna blend my lower lash line, you know, snatch like I just did, and then I'm gonna, you know, lower that down with a more of a like blending brush, and I'm gonna get that red super low on my cheek, almost towards my blush. But you're a vampire, you don't wear brush, you just, you know, white and have really weird eyes. And then I'm gonna go in with some black eyeshadow again, blending that towards the red that we just did. And if you really want to be precise, you can use, just like me, a really defined brush in your inner corner for that black. Then I went in with some more black eyeshadow, but I went a little bit more like abstract look. Wow, I cannot pronounce things. And I went that and just, you know, be creative. I just swirl my brush, and that's just what it creates. You can pretty much do whatever you want. I feel like it creates some kind of like even like a smoky effect, you know, like smoke, like fire smoke. I don't know. Really like that. Then I'm gonna curl my lashes and add some mascara. And of course, you're gonna apply lashes because that's just, you need to. I don't even know if I recorded me putting lashes or if I did, but if I didn't, shame on me because this look deserves a lash. Anyway, I'm gonna put some brow gel on my brows, and that's pretty much the only thing I will do because this eye look is really intense and I didn't want to do too much. But I'm also gonna put a little bit of brow highlight, which I feel like I haven't done in like a year because I'm so used to do body paintings these days that it's just insane. Then I'm gonna apply a NYX eyeliner. This one, I feel it's the Red Rebel, but I'm also using the Urban Decay. I don't know if I put that in the video, but I also saw myself using that. So mix of the two, and then filling that in. And then we're gonna apply some liquid lipstick. No, wait, just the lipstick in our inner part of the lips. And I'm blending that with my fingers. And then I'm gonna add the NYX lip oil just to create, you know, more of a juicier lip. Then I'm gonna go in with the Kryolan wheel, and I'm gonna create some tiny, the tiniest veins around my eyes using the smallest brush you will find ever. And I'm gonna, you know, blend that a little bit just by dabbing with my concealer brush, just to create more of a like veiny effect and not super like intense red lines around my eyes. And that completes the look. Now you need to get your, you know, teeth on. These were tricky, guys. First of all, for the glue, you need to boil the water and put the little beads in. This is me achieving putting one up, but I did end up changing where they were, the placement of them, because I feel like that's the only way I could get them to stay on. But just follow the instruction. It's a little bit tricky, but I got the hang of it after a few, so maybe do some tests. But you have a lot of beads in the little things. Then I went in with some fake blood around my mouth to create more of a, you know, vampire just bitten effect. I think that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you found it fun. Let me know in the comments what you thought about the look. And yeah, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye, guys.